In questions about how long are my results going to last, I think everyone needs to be prepared that cosmetic surgery is not a forever thing. It's not going to happen just once and you're going to be done. We do continue to age. We do get continued exposure to elements. And we don't age in just a straight line. We age in spurts. So there are some times where nothing seems to change for a few years, and then all of a sudden, over a period of a couple months, people have a lot of aging. It can happen more with stress in your life, things like changing jobs, moving, death of a spouse or a family member. We all know those are things that really age people, probably not only externally, but probably do so internally as well. But we need to do a really good job of educating our patients and everybody out there that yes, you're going to have cosmetic surgery, and you know what? If you really are paying attention and concerned about your looks now, you're probably going to be concerned 10 years from now, and be prepared that you're probably going to want to do something else to maintain what you've done at this point. It's a really common question with any procedure that we do. It's like, how long is this going to last? Women have often been told with a breast augmentation that like you're going to have to get this redone every 10 years, which is a fallacy. Manufacturers' warranties last about 10 years, and it would be great for the surgeon if we knew patients were going to come back every 10 years and just have to change them out. It would be a good annuity, but it's just not true. Implants probably last much, much longer than that, and if people are not having an issue, they really just don't have to come in and have surgery. With other surgeries, like let's say a facelift or eyes, things that make somebody look younger, people want to know, well, when am I going to have to redo this? Well, if it doesn't bother you in the future, you're never going to have to redo it. The reality is, once we finish surgery, you start aging right away. Again, so results last for about a minute, but they also last forever because you're always going to look better than before the procedure took place. You're always going to have that turn back in time. I think that really we see people repeat surgery on their face somewhere between 7, 10, 12 years, depending upon the procedure. Things like eyes sometimes age a little bit quicker than other areas. Sometimes we do the neck and it's never needs to be addressed again. So we find it different between procedures in different areas. A great question, are there things that we can do as surgeons to make a patient's results last longer? And I think that it starts with the choice of the procedures, because we know that there are some things that we can do that will probably have a lifespan of 2 or 3 years of improvement. Maybe lasering an area can tighten it for 3 or 4 years, but if we did a more formal surgery, it might last for 6 or 7 or 8 years. One might be easier to recover from, and so people choose that now as opposed to something that might get a longer lasting result. But I think the things that we can do are in the choices of what we're going to do. Probably the most that they can do is maintain a healthy lifestyle. That's going to help not gain weight after liposuction. It's going to help be fit after a tummy tuck. It's going to just help with your looks in general. People that are active and healthy seem to stay and be more youthful. The other thing is what we should all be doing anywhere, basically good skincare, which starts out with sunscreen, and doctors will beat you over the head with it. But if you can be preventative and take care of your skin and take care of yourself, that's really going to save on your aging down the road. Go ahead and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and feel free to share with a friend. You can stay up to date with the latest in cosmetic surgery by subscribing to the Austin-Weston YouTube channel, and for more information on the Austin-Weston Center, visit our website at austin-weston.com or click the link in the description below.